We received some dead stock from Stylecraft, the interior designers, and we decided that it would be a fantastic idea to actually replace these plastic bags that we're using for the sorting and dismantling with the disability service, and met a wonderful woman called Deborah Moodie, who is actually now constructing her own bags using this fabric. So the idea is that we'll actually replace that for the sorting and dismantling at the disability enterprises. And not only will this work to replace that one, but also once it goes to the shredders, what we'll be able to do is hook that up onto the side of the shredding machines, and the shredded material will go directly in there. And then we will just keep recycling these bags, get them back every time. So thank you very much, Stylecraft. Really so very excited and feel privileged to have had your support to turn your fabrics into these incredible bags. Thank you.